This message is being broadcasted by the Department of Defense of the Republic. At 12:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the unidentified figures have terrorized in New York. Those figures has lemon on their heads, yellow clothes, and has deadly weapons. And they are attacking people. This broadcast will now relay instructions that will keep you and your loved ones safe. Do not go outside. Lock all doors and windows. Lock yourself in a room with no windows. Cover your ears. Keep your eyes shut. Make yourself as small as possible by going into the fetal position. Do not open the door for anyone. If you have pets outside, leave them. Look at the moon. Look at the moon.
Look at the moon.
Don't look at the night sky. Ignore all outside noises. Do not look into mirrors.